Hello, everybody. Welcome to today, January 20th. I hope you are well. As you probably can tell, I am not. I am home. I don't feel good, so I hope all of you are drinking lots of fluids. My handy dandy Sprite here and staying well. Today's assignment has you work on IXL. Remember, that's your early finishers. Should be at the top. I'm going to move it. If it's not up to the top when you see this, it will be hopefully in just a minute. You IXL login, and then if you notice, it says use code Q8Z. So I'm going to show you how to log in on that, and let's take a look at some of these problems. So Q8Z. All right, log in with Google here. I think everything should look about the same. Obviously, yours is going to look maybe a little bit different at times. Notice it's logging in with Clever, because if you don't log in with Clever, then you can't get true mastery. You can only do 10, I think, practice problems if you don't log in. So I don't want you to do that one. I want you to log in through the early finishers. So I did the IXL button. I clicked on that one. And now we're waiting. Now this part will look different, but I'm going to type in Q8Z. And it's going to pull up variables, expressions with whole numbers. And I'm going to click on that one. And let's take a look at some of these problems together. Evaluate variable expressions with whole numbers. This is code Q8Z. So I just typed that in up here on that search topics and skills. All right. And now it says, find the value of the expression y times 9. Well, there's nothing you could do if it was just plain old y times 9. But because that one tells us to multiply, and it gives us the value for y, we know then that's 18. All right. And then it says 8 times p, where p is equal to 2. So 8 times 2 is 16. Now that dot doesn't have to be there. So I wonder if they're going to end up putting other stuff in there. So r equal 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. You just substitute in. So just like I'm not at school today, Mr. Markley's subbing for me today, you're going to replace that variable with the number and substitute that in. Then you find your answer. So 4 divided by s. So instead of saying 4 divided by s, we're going to say 4 divided by, see how it says s is equal to 2? We substitute in s for 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. All right. We're getting these good. Notice that. Find the value of the expression k minus 10, and k is equal to 19. So instead of k minus 10, we're going to say 19 minus 10, which is 9. 19 minus 10. Hopefully that makes sense. I think the numbers are going to get a little bit more challenging, but I think it's doable. I hope if you have any questions, you just reach out. Once you're done, you can turn this in. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you stay well, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow.